Now, the title of this video is Beware, Don't Upgrade in Best Easy Work. So if you're in Best Easy Work, right, and you're not an upgraded member, I'm going to share a story with you that's really going to hit home the idea of, in a sense, why you actually need to be an upgraded member in Best Easy Work. So I know when you just start Best Easy Work, the thought is, you know what, I could go out there and go like crazy, promote like crazy, and get people in Best Easy Work and at least make $25 for people who upgrade. But I'm going to share something with you that, you know what, it's going to shift your brain here. Because I think that happened to me when, I heard the story of my beautician. She kind of shared the story with me and it really hit home with me. I mean, she said when she was a struggling beautician, she rented a booth at a place and her rental fee was like $100. So that's what she paid to rent the space. It was $100. And I think it was like every week she was had to pay this. So it was like $400 a month she had to pay, but every week she had to pay $100 in order to stay in her booth. And she mentioned, she was coming up on the week and she didn't have the money. Somehow she didn't have any clients because, she was just starting, didn't have any clients and just didn't have that $100 to pay her rental fee. And, she said she broke down and kind of gave a cry out and said, I need some help here. And in a sense, she was talking to the universe that she needed help. And it was kind of weird how she shared the story. She said, she got out of her car, coming towards, the salon, and there was no one else around, just her, right? She's going to the salon and just happened to find $100. And, that just gave me goosebumps because here it is, she was struggling, couldn't find a way to pay this $100. And she cried out, to the universe that she needed help and she found this $100. And there was no one else around, so it's not like she could have said, to someone, hey, did you drop this and give it back to them? It was as if the God left it there for her. So the reason I share this story for you, right, is to tell you about how powerful the universe is, right? It's so amazing that, if you, I don't know if you've ever had this happen, you think of calling someone or you think of someone and the minute you think of them, the phone rings and it's them on the phone, right? And you're like, how does that happen? I was just thinking about you. Or, something you thought about and then it happens. It's like, this is the weirdest thing. So that's what I'm trying to get across. The universe is so powerful. And if you're a member in Best Easy Work and you're not upgraded, this is what you're telling the universe. You're telling the universe that, in a sense, you're ready to fail. Because you're not putting out that energy that says, I'm going to be successful. You're not putting out that commitment to say, I'm going to be successful. Because, another thing, if you want to put this in perspective, is if you're a parent, right? You have kids or you try to do something that you've never done before. So you're a parent, right? I mean, you didn't know exactly what parenthood was like until you had your first child, and then you really realized what the sense of it was. I mean, you could think about it all you want, but until you're in the trenches of being a parent, literally having a young baby, holding a baby and saying, oh my goodness, I'm a parent, and going through that, I mean, it's just not the same of doing it half-heartedly, of thinking about it. Oh, we should think of the idea of when this baby comes, you're gonna do this. It's actually when you start having your kids that really parenthood hits you. You become the parent that you probably always want to become. Now the same thing happens with your online business here with Best Easy Work. If you're not in it to win it, in a sense, you are not making that commitment, right? That commitment to say, I'm going to be a member of Best Easy Work. I'm going to come in at some level. You're thrown out in the universe that you are not ready for success. The universe cannot work on you to bring you to success and bring you to the money that you seek, right? So just like the idea that, the parent, the universe cannot work on the parent that does not have the kids to make that parent a good parent. You have to be in that situation for the universe to work on you to get you to be the best parent that you could be for your kids. So here's what I'm telling you. You know what? If you're not upgrading the Best Easy Work, you're doing yourself a huge disservice. And I'm not, just trying to save it so you can upgrade so, someone like me can make money or someone else can make money. It's the idea that if you want to have success, you got to forget about everyone else. This is not about anyone else out there in the universe. This is about you. The universe needs to work on you in order for you to make money. And the only way the universe can work on you and give you success of whatever monetary financial gains you're trying to get at is for you to get in it to win it so the universe can work on you. Because there is such a thing, as an underlying law of the universe that governs things. I mean, I can't describe it in detail like, metaphysics or science or anything like that. I mean, it's the brainiac stuff here, but I'm sure you understand and realize that there is some things that govern the universe, just like there is gravity that you can't see it, right? You can't imagine it or you can't rationalize it and reason it. I mean, as a normal person like you and I, but you know that it's there. There's undeniable proof that it's there. And it's the same concept that there's undeniable proof that there's something that governs the universe that says, you know what, if you do not commit to something, the thing that you're seeking cannot happen. You have to put yourself in that thing, commit to it, and then you get the end result. So I hope you kind of get the grasp of what I'm saying with this entire concept, because until I heard that story about my beautician who actually literally lost was on the verge of losing her rental space, and then to have the universe respond to her cry in a sense. She was being diligent about going to her rental booth, trying to get clients, trying to do what she was supposed to do in a sense, right? And the universe worked its way to create what it needed to do in order to have her get her rental fee, to pay her rental fee. And actually now she's a very successful salon owner. So that's what I'm showing you. If you think you're destitute at this moment, the universe needs to work on you, right? And you have to, in a sense, allow the universe to work on you, but you have to do the things that, it would allow it to do that. So if you're not an upgraded member in Best Easy Work, the first thing you want to decide is what level can you comfortably come in at. The level starts at 188, then 288, and up and up. You go to your back office, you look in your back office, you see the different levels, read through them, determine what level you could safely come in at, where you feel comfortable at, and make a commitment at that point. It starts somewhere. Stake your fork in the ground and says, okay, I'm going to do this, and do it so that the universe could work in your favor. Because if you're not an upgraded member in Best Easy Work, what you're really telling the universe is you're ready to fail. And if that's not what you came here for, right? You came here for success. You saw Best Easy Work as a business vehicle that could definitely get you out of your situation that you're in. Then you definitely need to make that commitment to yourself, not to anyone else, to yourself, to be an upgraded member in Best Easy Work so the universe can respond in kind and get you the results that you want to get to. So what I urge you to do is just go back into your back office at Best Easy Work, determine which level you want to come in at. Give Martin a call, to get anything question answered or whatever it might be, or to help, get that process started if you're not sure how to go upgrade. Give him a call, get those details answered, and just get in at the level that you are comfortable at and let the universe work on you. Because the universe is a very powerful force. And if you're not using it to your advantage, guess what? Then you're using it to ultimately become a failure of whatever you're trying to do. So use the universe here by making a commitment to your Best Easy Work business, by upgrading into whatever level you're comfortable at, and then you know what? The universe will respond back to you.